turn. Can't you say it, baby? I'll give me going crazy. Wherever we go, whatever you Thank you for joining. Hi, Sir John! It's Dancing Sheryl. Yeah. Thank you, Sir Coffee, Sir John. Kape. Coffee po. Hi, Henry Mazan. Hi, Cheryl. Are you going to do Zumba again on Sunday? Yes. Going Sunday, Zumba. On Sunday, I'm doing Zumba again. Just drop. I'm just about to have a dinner. Okay, po. Thank you, Sir John, for joining. How are you, Sir John? Coffee. I'm very good po. That's good po. I'm too very good. I just charged my phone, that's why it's far. Me too, I'm good. Hi, Mark Benson Sapugay. Hi, Mark Benson Sapugay. How about you, Mark Benson Sapugay? Jollibee, how are you? I'm beautiful. Hi, Kuya G. Hi, Ace. Thank you, Ace. You are beautiful, girl. Thank you. Dang, Cheryl, you are hottie. You know it, do, don't you? Only that's in the Philippines. Hello, my gorgeous friend. Hi, Water Rat. How are you, Ace? Yes, it's very beautiful. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Coffee. Loving your smile too. Bye po, still working. Take care for work. Kuya Dre, God bless always. Take care. Always take care at work. Kuya Dre. You are beautiful, girl. But your body is not sexy. I'm sorry. It's fine. I know. No worries. No worries, Rubiera. Sinagaponya. Hi, Sinagaponya. It's okay, it's fine. No worries, Ruby. How can you say letter Dave? Sheryl, are you 22 or 24 years? I'm 41 years old. 41, oh my god. Hope I'm 20s. Still 20s. Hi, Jose. I'm fine, Jose. Letter Dave. No, you're not. Yes, I'm 41 years old. Hope I'm 20s. I'm still 20s. My god. 45 years. Hi, Bicol. Hello. From London. Jose from London. Hi. Nice to meet you, Jose from London. You are evening more beautiful now. What a dream. Letter 3. Where are you from? You are beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. I feel beautiful. Nice hair. Oh, thank you. USA, Oregon. Not yet married, but I'm getting married soon. I am. Wait, why? Why you came here? Who said you you will meet someone here? Why you came here in the Philippines? Maybe. Oh no, not possible to meet because I have next. I have for business. You here for business because I have already loved ones and not possible to meet someone. I haven't seen you before. People are gonna love you forever. What a diamond. What? You are getting married soon. I'm not shocked. Just bummed. You meet me here before here on the live. Because someone promised he said he wants to marry me, something like that. I am taking a house in Cebu and a general store. Okay, Jose. I like your smile. I like looking at your beautiful face, but not your body because your hips are thin. Your waist is not big. It's fine. No worries, Ruby. We are different shape. We are different body shape. So, sorry, connection ano. Hello, Sir Fred. Waldomer. Sorry for the bad connection. Going to say GTV. Hi, GTV. Thank you for the likes. You be picky. You can have who you want and need. He is right. You are naturally perfect. That makes you special and perfect. Thank you, Leather Dave. I have a solve. I had to solve. You are again. Thank you, Leather Dave. Thank you so much. God bless. Hello, brother, friend, and host. Hi. Thank you, Mom Grace. You can just say it, baby. Damn it, you have great legs. Don't stop, just hit and God bless you. Looks like he did. Hello, Kuya Dri from Grace. Water, hello from Grace. Got me going crazy.